Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer and we've got these boots here. This is a standard Tricker in the sea shade colour, and we've put the orange. I'm steaming up. I'm going to take this off. Oof, that's better. Right, we've got this sea shade Tricker. We've put the orange sole on and we've put the white stitching. We've put the brass eyelets in, and I'm just going to see now the brass eyelets. It had the brown eyelets in. I don't know where they've gone, but we'll put the brass eyelets in like this, and then onto there. Oh, right, that's the brass eyelets going in. I can make that look easy. And then I thought, what about putting speed hooks on the top? But could we put the speed hooks through the original eyelet, or the new eyelet, not the original eyelet? So we take this little tool here and we put that on there like that, and we put that like that. Paul says we have to have this facing the right way, because once these are positioned, they are positioned like that. That up there, speed hook on the top, and then a speed hook there as well, and we'll have two speed hooks. So this is the shoe version. We can do it with the shoe or we can do it with the boot. We've put the orange Dainite on, the white stitching, the brass eyelets, speed hooks on the top. Some nice orange pull tabs are going on. So this is a stock boot. This will be $445. If you have a pair of these at home and you want them converting, the conversion will be about £100. But we can do that for you here at the Shoe Healer.